Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can apply bilingual subtitles to your videos on CapCut PC. Now this is a pro feature, I'm just saying that, but you can just select your video and go to text and add in auto captions. Select the source language, which is in English, and also select the translated language as well. They have a few options here. They don't have a lot, but they have some. I'm just going to choose Indonesian for mine because I know the language, and I'm just going to select create, and it's going to create two languages, like two texts on top of each other like this, and it's going to show the English and the Indonesian word for it. For the Indonesian one, I'm just going to I still don't know how to say it, just slant, like put it on a slant, I guess. And I'm also going to add this, and it's going to only be applied to the one at the bottom and not at the top. Just going to adjust the opacity a little bit, and then for this one I'm just going to do that and make it a little bit bolder and bigger, and I can move it down and it's going to move alongside with it as well. So that is it. That's how you can create bilingual subtitles. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!